What's going on, family? We're in Newark, New Jersey in Military Park. We are at the restaurant called The Yard, ran by Brother Kai.
What's up, y'all? My name is Kai. We're here live at The Yard. We're making these, hood famous Oxtail Burgers. This oxtail is oxtailing. You know what I'm saying? Making sure we cleaning that bones. Look.
That's for real, for real.
So, we just chilling. Lou's got the grill right now. I'm doing a little bit of prep. We already fed 100 people this morning.
Wow.
We just out here celebrating Black joy, Black and brown excellence, you know what I mean? In the kitchen, trying to create a vibe. Excellent, trying to, create an experience for folks, customer service, quality of the product, sense of community, that's what we live by, just trying to get it, man. Honestly, we out here like all other service workers, the farmers, the growers, you know what I'm saying? Everybody doing their part, so just getting it.
Tell us one of the struggles of being an entrepreneur.
Struggles? Give me a second, I'm gonna still wait, it's a wait. If somebody wants something, it's like 20 minutes. My biggest struggle is that time away from my children. I have two young, Black girls, so for me, like being away from them is the hardest thing. Because I live an unconventional lifestyle, and so being away from them is the hardest thing for me. Other than that, it's a gamble, but we from here, we always think we're gonna make it back, but I can't make back time, and their time is the most precious to me. So,
right.
You know what I mean? Just because you're a parent, you know how it goes. Right. Being away from your kids, whether or not you pray for good health and that they're not assholes, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you still want to give them that time, and it's hard. Like one of my kids she's down with the flu right now. Thankfully it's not COVID, but I want to be there right now to, warm up apple juice.
Right.
What are the benefits of this? The benefits is like, for me, the biggest benefit is that same thing about creating my own and being on my own to go about the earth as I please, which is hard, because I'm beholden to, to you. I'm beholden to the consumer. That's a real time, it's a real time vote. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, that's what I thrive on. I get off on like pleasing. You know what I mean?
Right.
So for me, that's
serving.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, look at that, bro. You gotta massage and make love to this. You know what I'm saying?
Look at this, y'all. This is awesome. So look, what should I order today?
Lou's been prepping these breasts. They look phenomenal.
The breasts?
Chicken breast, but you can't go wrong. The shrimp is phenomenal.
Because I know you might be running tight on the Oxtail Burgers.
Yeah, I mean, only for a little bit. We're going to get to it. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing but a little hustle.
There it is, y'all. There it is. I got a Jamaican pineapple ginger soda drink. And I got the Oxtail Burger and some fries. Check this out, yo. I gotta grab this burger so y'all can check it out. Look at that oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at that cheese. Woo, got the sauce on it. I see the tomato in there, pickles. Man, he was telling me they got shrimp and they got chicken. And look, first thing I want to do is try this sauce with the French fries. French fry right off. French fries crunchy. And tender on the inside. When you start eating the French fries like that, non-stop, they're delicious. Nice and hot. I wanted to sit outside, y'all, because it's packed in there and people are enjoying themselves. And I didn't want to ask them to turn the music down. French fries are delicious. Let's try this Oxtail Burger out. Got pickles here, y'all. I'm gonna bite into it. Right off, that flavor is delicious. Wow, I taste onions too. Wow. Like I said, there's pickles on there.
What is my... Y'all want to come here and try this Oxtail Burger. This is the first time I had anything like this. Oh, wow. And they go great with the fries.
Delicious, y'all. Oxtail Burger here at the Yard at Military Park, Newark, New Jersey. Oh man. And I don't know, I gotta find out exactly what this sauce is. But the sauce, oh my goodness, it's great without the sauce. But with the sauce, it's like a magic that happens. That's the dance, y'all. Wow. Wow. Y'all know I'm not a big burger guy. I think the only burger spot that I've gone to out of the 30 plus videos we've done is White Castle's. I'm just not a burger guy. I don't like, I'm not a burger guy. But this Oxtail Burger is delicious. This meat is delicious. You guys saw him in there. This is real oxtail meat from the bone. He was in there working. People were lined up to get this Oxtail Burger. Now I see why they were lined up. Because this is delicious. Y'all thought I was gonna cuss. Y'all ain't never heard me cuss on here. Yo, I gotta put that sauce on there. It's official, y'all. Come down to the Yard. I want to try something else now. We coming back here, y'all. I'm gonna come back and get the shrimp and the chicken next stop. This is the Yard in Military Park. If you come here, you won't go wrong with the Oxtail Burger. I'm trying to get it up. Look at that sauce on there too. That's a pretty big burger. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to stuff my mouth with it. You know when you bite into something, you bite a little bit, then you see it's really good, and you just want to bite a big chunk. That's some delicious meat. I'm satisfied, y'all. And I've had the Jamaican ginger soda. I've never had the pineapple ginger, but it's pretty good. Well, that's it, y'all. Oh man, I forgot the one subscriber's name that suggested to come down here And we had already spoke to the owner, like, "Wait, we gotta come down there, man, and try out some of your food." But I'm gonna put her name down here. Thanks for suggesting the yard here in Newark, New Jersey. It was delicious. We had the Oxtail Burger. We had the fries.
Yo, so that's it, man. This is Matt DV. I can't remember this when I ate this many fries. I'm out. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Check us out on Patreon, patreon.com. It's all right down here. Matt DV at the yard signing out. See you guys at the next one. Peace!